This is the ultimate camera comparison video of Honor 400, not the Pro versus iPhone 16 Pro. This is mid-range versus flagship. We got a triple camera setup on iPhone 16 Pro and dual camera system on Honor 400 with a 200 megapixel main sensor. I think that's it for our quick audio test. Let the battle begin. On the widest field of view, which is 1x, you will see natural looking tone and colors on iPhone 16 Pro, while you get more vivid and brighter image on Honor 400. Not gonna lie, I don't think the natural looking is always a good case for iPhone 16 Pro, because some of the shots, the face looks really pale and darkened compared to the better exposed Honor 400. On 2x or 50mm, you get a more punch-in look on iPhone 16 Pro. Still the case of natural-looking skin tone and colors, while you got a wider field of view on Honor 400 with a saturated look and brighter. Also, in terms of white balance, you will have a warmer white balance on iPhone 16 Pro, and I like the contrast looking at the blacks. On portrait zoom, you got a closer 5x on iPhone 16 Pro versus a 3x on Honor 400. But if you zoom in, you got really good details on the 200 megapixel sensor of Honor 400. We got 4 focal lengths on Honor 400. We got 3 on iPhone 16 Pro. Now, going for the selfie shooter, I like the exposure on iPhone 16 Pro, looking at my wife's face and my shirt, while I like the more contrasty look on Honor 400. This is a matter of personal taste. Alright, vlogging test using Honor 400 versus iPhone 16 Pro. Also, we tested Honor 400 versus iPhone 16. So if you check that, that's like a month ago. So why Honor 400 and iPhone 16 Pro? One, Honor didn't send us the Pro version of Honor 400, so we're stuck with the regular Honor 400. And two, there's a lot of upcoming phones right now. Nothing Phone, Samsung, Pixel, and even iPhone. So we're putting all our effort to actually review those phones instead of like buying the Pro version of Honor 400. Hopefully next time, Honor will send us the Pro version of this phone so people could see the difference between the Pro flagship versus the Pro mid-range of Honor phones. In terms of video quality, you got a warmer, natural-looking tone on iPhone 16 Pro, and you got a smoother face and a bit more contrasty feel on Honor 400. I think that's it for the selfie video recording. 4K 30 FPS on Honor 400 and 4K 30 FPS, but you can shoot 60, 24, and 120 FPS on iPhone 16 Pro. Alright, sit-down vlogging test on the rear camera, starting with the ultra-wide 4K 30 FPS on Honor 400. We have 4K 30 FPS as well on iPhone 16 Pro. We can shoot 24 and 60 FPS on the flagship iPhone. In terms of field of view, 0.7x on Honor 400, and we got 0.5x on iPhone 16 Pro. Wider on the flagship iPhone. This is a 48 megapixel sensor compared to a 12 megapixel sensor on Honor 400. In terms of video quality, I like the video quality on iPhone 16 Pro. It's natural looking, and you got more details on my hands compared to Honor 400. I'm not even sure if it's focused. Let me tap the screen to focus. Yeah, so it's focused, but a bit soft compared to a more detailed look on iPhone 16 Pro. This is what it looks like with me close up on the cameras. Now let's check the main sensor. Now this is the sit-down vlogging test using these two phones, using the main sensor. So if you'll be using these two phones for vlogging on social media and even YouTube, this is the sit-down vlogging test on both phones. Definitely you can use both phones for vlogging and content creation. In terms of specs, you got a 200 megapixel 1/4 inch sensor on Honor 400 versus 48 megapixel 1/1.28 inch sensor on iPhone 16 Pro. You got a larger sensor on iPhone 16 Pro, but you got higher megapixel count on Honor 400. In terms of video quality, I still like iPhone 16 Pro natural looking compared to a brighter and more processed look on Honor 400. I think that's it for the main sensor test. Now let's check the zoom. And lastly, this is the vlogging test using the optical zoom 5x on iPhone 16 Pro versus 5x digital crop on Honor 400. I think in terms of Video quality, I like the smoother and more natural looking iPhone 16 Pro. Compared to a noisier and over-sharpened look on Honor 400, I think that's it for the vlogging test, video recording indoors on both phones. Now let's check the image quality. On the image quality test, starting with the widest focal length, which is the ultra-wide, you got brighter and better exposed image on Honor 400, while the saturation goes to iPhone 16 Pro, and you got stronger contrast. And that 48 megapixel sensor stands out because there's more details on the floors.
Beautiful. It's got my head all up in the clouds. I think I found it now.
On the main sensor, I like the sharpness and focus on iPhone 16 Pro. You will see that the teddy bear is in focus compared to Honor 400. But what I like about Honor 400 is the brightness and better exposed image. Some people might prefer a brighter image compared to the darker iPhone 16 Pro.
Light coming down on me. Sunshine on my face. I got sunshine on my face. I don't gotta care.
On 5X, definitely there's more details on the dedicated optical zoom of iPhone 16 Pro, but the 200 megapixel crop is not so bad on Honor 400.
Sunshine on my face. Yeah. I got sunshine. I got sunshine. I got sunshine. I gotta let you know.
Both phones has macro capability, but Honor 400 has better details.
Letting go.
Alright, outdoor test. So we have 4K 30 FPS on Honor 400 and 4K 60 FPS, the highest frame rate on iPhone 16 Pro. So this is what it looks like vlogging using the selfie camera outdoors. I like the colors on iPhone 16 Pro. Let's check the autofocus. And looking at the colors, you got natural looking color on iPhone 16 Pro. It is closer in reality. And you got a brighter Honor 400. A bit overexposed. Let's check the video stabilization. Alright, let's check the rear cameras. And we're starting with the ultra wide on the rear cameras. 4K 30 FPS on Honor 400 and 4K 60 FPS on iPhone 16 Pro. You got a wider field of view on iPhone 16 Pro compared to Honor 400. Looking at the colors, in terms of the sky, they look identical. I think bluer on iPhone 16 Pro, but in terms of the grass, warmer looking iPhone 16 Pro, but brighter Honor 400. Let's check the autofocus. You can see that there's more details on iPhone 16 Pro and warmer compared to Honor 400. This is the vlogging test on both phones. I still like the output on iPhone 16 Pro, natural looking compared to Honor 400, but warmer. Let's check the video stabilization. Now this is the main sensor, 1X. Still natural looking on iPhone 16 Pro and warmer. I like the colors of the sky and the grass. You can see that Honor 400 is crushing the shadows a bit on this test. Looking at the trees right here. Let's check the autofocus. I still like the colors on iPhone 16 Pro compared to Honor 400. It's too bright for my taste on Honor 400. And again, vlogging test. This is Honor 400 versus iPhone 16 Pro using the main sensor. And let's check video stabilization. Now, going for the zoom, we got 5x optical on iPhone 16 Pro, when you can only do crop on 5x versus 5x. Yeah, iPhone 16 Pro is so much better because of the dedicated optical zoom. And going for the farthest zoom, We got 15x on iPhone 16 Pro and only 10x on Honor 400. Switching to the ultra wide, which phone do you think is better? Checking the night shots using the ultra wide, we got more details and colors on iPhone 16 Pro compared to the softer looking Honor 400. On pitch black condition, you got better exposure and details on iPhone 16 Pro. On the main sensor test, you got really good white balance and details on iPhone 16 Pro, while the contrast is stronger on Honor 400. And on pitch black condition, still you got really good detail, sharpness, and colors on iPhone 16 Pro. On 5x, there's no competition. You got a dedicated 5x on iPhone 16 Pro. I think this is the biggest separation of both phones on low light condition. And lastly, on pitch black condition, you got better details on iPhone 16 Pro. Now we're testing the low light video, starting with the selfie video recording 4K 30 FPS on both phones. We can shoot 60 FPS on iPhone 16 Pro. If you ever wonder why we're actually comparing Honor 400 to the 16 Pro, not the 16, we already have that video. We actually made it like a month ago, so check that out on this channel. In terms of video quality on low light, you have a warmer look on iPhone 16 Pro and cooler tone on Honor 400. It also crushes the blacks. Look at my cap and my shirt. And you have a better exposure on iPhone 16 Pro. Also warmer white balance. I like the look on iPhone 16 Pro compared to Honor 400, but this is a matter of personal taste. We can also shoot 1x on Honor 400 and 0.8x. I think that's it for the selfie video recording. Alright, rear camera test on low light, starting with the ultra wide. So we have 12 megapixel sensor on Honor 400 and 48 megapixel sensor on iPhone 16 Pro. In terms of video quality, I like the video quality more on iPhone 16 Pro. You got a sharper, more detailed, and warmer video on the iPhone, and we have a cooler tone and softer looking on Honor 400. I think that's it for the ultra wide. Alright, main sensor test on both phones. So we have a 200 megapixel 1/4 inch sensor on Honor 400, and we have a 48 megapixel, rather 50 megapixel sensor, 1/1.28 inch sensor on iPhone 16 Pro. In terms of video quality, we got a warmer look on iPhone 16 Pro compared to a natural looking cooler tone on Honor 400. Video quality wise, you got a brighter Honor 400 versus a more detailed and sharper looking iPhone 16 Pro. I still like iPhone 16 Pro in terms of video recording on low light. I think that's it for the main sensor. And lastly, we have a low light video test using the 5x optical on iPhone 16 Pro versus the digital crop on Honor 400. We have a 12 megapixel sensor on iPhone 16 Pro. In terms of video quality, I like the smoother iPhone 16 Pro. You got a noisier Honor 400 on 5x. I think that's it for the low light video test. Now let's check the video resolution. And lastly, the video resolution test. We're using the selfie camera 4K 30 FPS on Honor 400. We can switch 1x and 0.8x on this phone. And this is iPhone 16 Pro in 4K 60 FPS. So we have a higher frame rate on the iPhone 16 Pro versus Honor 400. In terms of video quality, in terms of image quality, I would prefer iPhone 16 Pro on this camera comparison video. But in terms of price, would you consider Honor 400 versus the costly iPhone 16 Pro? Leave your comment down below. And as always, thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one.